bad to the bone. It's got that V8 sound to it. We've been out testing it. We are sure you're going to be thoroughly impressed with this rig. But folks, this is one of the first ones. As always, Wieda's Marine, we're bringing you the latest and greatest. You're all going to have a lot of questions about the new 4-stroke. Pro XS has been a great motor. It still is a great motor. There's many of you that are going to want those still, and we have them as of we're shooting this. But this is the latest and greatest from Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, the new 250 Pro XS. Wieda's Marine showing you it first. Come on down, and we will get you in a new Phoenix or a new Triton with one of these beautiful 250 Pro XS 4-strokes.